Hey everybody, today we are going to adjust Dr. Chris Cole.
Hey guys.
Here it comes. So how you feeling today?
Feeling pretty good.
All right,
Yeah,
awesome.
just a little tightness up in my upper trap.
We had that last time, right?
Yes.
Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay, is it better since Tuesday?
A lot better.
All right, very cool. Well, you know, our work is physical, so sometimes we actually hurt ourselves trying to help our patients. We have Doc's listings on the computer in front of me here based on x-rays that we've previously taken and analyzed. And his tenderness and tightness is all on the right side, and it kind of starts around here, right?
Yep. Yeah, right here.
That seems like a rib that's misaligned. So what I'm going to do is contact the rib. We're going to move it up and over just slightly, and then by moving the head, we're going to get the rib to fall into place. Here it comes. That was perfect.
Yeah.
To me, that seems like it's back in place. Is it less tender?
It is less.
Fantastic. Next, and there's more to do over there, but I'll do it when you turn over.
Okay.
Although, we may want to do one right here to come across and open that. You feel that, right? Okay. So this is called a thumb move. We're going to bring the head again, same direction. That didn't move. Drop your right shoulder. There it is. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're good. We'll come back to the neck in a minute. You have a listing at T12 and L1 in extension, so we'll get that next. And then, historically, your right leg is 4 feet longer than your left. Today, it's maybe a millimeter, not too much. Now, I'm looking, and there's a rotation in the hips as well, where the pelvis is tilted slightly to the right. When I bring these up, I want to see what happens to the pelvis. I want to see what happens to the leg length. So, you feel tightness right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Does this one feel as tight or tighter?
I mean, in the front it feels tight, but I do
Quadriceps.
feel discomfort in the right.
On the right when I bend the knee. Okay, so that's the one we're going to fix. Turn on your side, face this way. Good thing we're having a right side special today. Right neck, right shoulder, right hip. All right, so this goes here. The easy thing about adjusting chiropractors is they set themselves up. I just have to push. And that didn't move. We're going to do it one more time, a little higher. Go back on your stomach and let's see if that worked. I didn't hear a big pop out of that one.
Usually silent.
It's true.
You're not subscribed. If you're enjoying this video, consider liking and subscribing.
So we're going to press again. Is there a change?
It's not painful.
It's not painful. Wonderful. Turn and face this way now. So I still want to balance your leg length. So really gentle. We're going to pull up and toward the head. One more. I heard that one.
Mm-hmm.
On your stomach, and let's see if the legs evened out. Okay. So that seems perfectly balanced. And one last test when we bring it up.
That's good.
Okay. You may flip over on your back. If you don't like flipping, you can roll. Not everyone flips. And let's have you put your hands behind the neck, interlock the fingers. Good. And we can check ribs one more time just to make sure. Well, there's a little one there. Fall back. And on the other side. And then a big one right down the middle. And hands down. And let's look at your neck. Beneath the brilliant mind of every chiropractor is a neck. And yours is misaligned. Is there tenderness here?
Yes.
Is there tenderness on this side?
There is, yep.
All right, so it looks like it's an upper COC1 on the right. So what I'm going to do is move the skull forward and sideways. Here it comes. That's perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Less tender.
That's better.
Now this one, it's lower, right around there.
Yep.
And that's better too.
Perfect.
All right, so just because I'm nice, I'm going to stretch that muscle on the right side that's tender. So this is a scalenus stretch. Good. And then an upper trap stretch. Sometimes this is painful.
Feels good.
Good. And we're going to do a final stretch. This kind of releases the dura mater around the entire spine. I'm lifting straight up. I'm not pushing toward his feet. Lifted straight up toward the ceiling. It's a good relaxing stretch. And down. What do you think?
Feeling good.
Test it out.
Brand new.
Brand new and perfect. All right, very good. Well, thanks for joining us. Send your comments, questions, whatever, and stop by and get adjusted.